If you also have a little time to sit on the chart, I recommend that you don't miss this strategy at all, because this strategy was able to give us a very good profit in the exact 15 time frame, and as you can see, it touched its profit limit beautifully. So stay with us until the end of the video to learn this strategy. The risk to reward of this strategy is 1 to 2, and the trades and backtests we took from this strategy were done on the gold symbol and on the 15-minute time frame. And don't miss the strategy whose link is at the top of the video, because the risk to reward of that strategy is 1 to 4, and it has been able to give us a great profit at the end of the month. This strategy consists of 2 indicators that we must search for. The first indicator, CTI-line, LB, and we add this indicator to our chart. And we search for the second indicator, RF distance, DW, and we add this indicator to our chart. Now let's go to the settings of the indicators. We enter the settings of the first indicator. We have nothing to do with input indicators in this strategy, and our only work is with style indicators. We enter the first style indicator section and turn off these 2 options, and we can change the color of these options as well. Now we go to the settings of the second indicator. We have nothing to do in the input part of this indicator. And in the style section of this indicator, we turn off these options and change the colors to these colors. Now that the settings of our indicators are ready, let's go to how to trade with this strategy. For buy positions, first, the dots should change color from red to green, and the color of our candle should be completely green. Here we enter a buy position. We place the stop loss behind a resistance and look for a risk to reward of 1 to 2. For sales positions, first, the dots should change color from green to red, and the color of the candle should be completely red. Here we enter a sell position, place the stop loss behind a resistance, and look for a risk to reward of 1 to 2. The point here is when the points change from red to green and the color of the candle is anything but green. Here we do not enter into a buying position even if it is profitable for us. And for the sell position, as you can see, the color of the dots has changed from green to red, but here the color of the candle is still green, so we will not enter a sell position here. Now let's go to the back testing of this strategy. And this is one of the results we got from this strategy. The win rate of this strategy is 50%, which means that out of 80 positions that we took, 40 of the positions touched their profit limit and 40 of the positions also touched their loss limit. And the profit that this strategy brought to us in 61 days was $200, which means 300% profit on our $100 account. The point is that this percentage of profit for us was made on a $100 account and positions with a volume of 0.01. And on the other hand, the profit that this strategy can give us in 1 month is 199%. Our consecutive lose in this strategy is 4, which means for consecutive positions touch their own loss limit. And our consecutive win in this strategy was 5, that is, 5 positions touch their own profit limit in a row. The strategy as a whole was not a good strategy, and it did not work according to its creator, but an important point for this strategy is that sometimes, in some positions of this strategy, the loss limit may reach over 100 pips. So, if you want to trade with this strategy, first take a backtest from it, and if you are sure, enter the rail market, and risk and capital management is very important for this strategy. And the difference between our channel and other channels is that the strategies that other channels introduce and claim high profits for their strategy, we will check their strategy and show you the real results of those strategies. And I would be happy to support us by subscribing to our channel, liking the video and leaving a comment for us, and finally be successful and profitable.